Hi, I'm Nural from Actiefhost, and in this video you'll learn how to install CloudPanel. Let's get started. I always start by updating and upgrading Ubuntu, so I know that the virtual machine I'm working on has the latest packages. I strongly recommend that you do the same. Now we need to install curl, get, and sudo. Although sudo is always installed, I prefer to double-check rather than take any chances. The next thing I'll do is set the host name for the server, which I'll need for CloudPanel later in the video. Great! I now have everything I need to launch the CloudPanel installation shell. Copy the command and paste it into the SSH terminal, and be prepared to wait 10 to 15 minutes because a dozen things will be installed. The installation is complete. We can now create our administrator account in CloudPanel. Great, we already have an account. Let's log into the dashboard and add a domain with a WordPress installation. The cool thing about CloudPanel is that when you select the New WordPress Site option, it automatically installs WordPress, and you literally have a working website in a matter of seconds. Our WordPress installation is ready. The next step is to generate a Let's Encrypt certificate. Great, we now have a certificate, so we can set the time zone and update the PHP version to the latest one to ensure the site loads even better. Now I want to add our host name as the primary domain in CloudPanel, so I can log into the panel directly via the domain instead of having to type in the IP address every time. Now it's time to take you inside the panel. Although, to be honest, it's incredibly intuitive. Everything you need is right here, without any unnecessary clutter or features you'll never use. What can I say? It's German quality. Clean, precise, and simply impressive. All I can say is wow. Wow, almost forgot. We installed WordPress, but we didn't even test it to see how it performs or if it's even working at all. Well, now's the perfect time to find out. It was a pleasure guiding you through all the steps of installing CloudPanel. Goodbye, and best of luck. This is Nural from Actiefhost.